November 4th, 2021 marked the premiere of an annual event for Super Petrel USA. Pilots, owners, maintenance folks, and Super Petrel management started the week on Wednesday evening at Ormond Beach Airport, KOMN, with a casual meet and greet and some hangar flying before getting down to business on Thursday. This was an opportunity to converse with Rodrigo Skoda, CEO of Skoda Aeronautica, as well as with Roger Helton, who heads up Super Petrel USA. Rodrigo is the reason we have this beautiful plane at all, and Roger is the reason they're not all still in Brazil. Thursday was a classroom day, and the subject was the Rotax power plant, both the 912IS and the 914 UL. These bulletproof engines power virtually all of the light sport aircraft built in the last few years. Friday found us gathering in the hangar to spend some time with the airframe, systems, and avionics. Duke Propellers sent Gaetan Fuzing to talk about why Duke is the propeller of choice for the Super Petrel LS. The folks with Super Petrel experience were happy to share their wisdom with those just initiated into the family. All came away with a great appreciation of the design, quality, and craftsmanship that are integral to the Super Petrel LS. Saturday was a wrap-up and flying day. Friday's rain had kindly moved along, leaving us with the kind of weather folks moved to Florida for. Though we all expanded our knowledge base and learned much about the aircraft and flying, everyone took inspiration from folks like Mark Ziegler, Ziggy when he flew for the Navy Blue Angels demo team, and his Super Petrel co-owner, United States Navy retired Admiral Bill Gortney. All in all, a terrific 3 days. Check the events calendar on the website or the Facebook page for next year's Super Petrel Trifecta event. See you in Florida.